You got to go and dig those holes.
Man, I'm tired.
With broken hands and withered souls, emancipated from all you know. You got to go and dig those holes.
Man, you slow, bro.
Go and dig those holes.
Man, I'm tired.
With broken hands and withered souls, emancipated from all you know. You got to go and dig those holes.
Man, you slow, bro.
I'm out on my first hunt, 2017, and I'm going to a cornfield as usual, but not the same area, someplace different. But I'd like to do a shout out here to myself. No. Yes, actually it is. Me and my son's channel called B&B Relic Hunters. Those of you who like my videos might want to look at B&B Relic Hunters. We just started it this year and already having a lot of fun. Yeah, I'll first hit with the AT Pro and a stock coil. Old 22 bullet. Yeah, looks pretty old. Looks pretty old to me. We'll take it. Okay, just dug this up. I don't know. That looks like a big brass buckle or something. I don't know. I'm going to take a picture of it. Anybody know what it is? Let me know, will you? All I know is it came in as good 80 on it. So I know it's brass. That's all I know. Ooh, that one there made me excited. I thought sure I had a largie here. That's another. I had to turn the sound off because there was so much wind, but this one turned out to be a dandy bud, and I thought it was a large scent for a minute there. And then we have this one here, came in like a tin can would, but it turned out it was a piece of a crotal bell. You can see there, I'm going to show you the lines there in a minute. You can see the lines when I see I put it in the sun. Piece of a coral bell there. We'll take it. And then I found this spoon underneath a brick. It was pretty far down. I'd say about 8 inches down. Looks like a little spoon. Pretty old, looks like, but we'll take it. Yeah, I got it first for this year. We have a pocket knife right here. That's the first one for this year. Yep, it is. We'll take it. That came in at about $45.50. Nice little pocket knife. Thank you very much. Okay, here are the finds for today. We have this big brass piece here. I thought at first it was a buckle, but now I'm not sure because there's like a, where is it? There's a hole in it right there, so I don't know. If anybody knows what that is, let me know. You got a penny. And this knife was found the other day. I just found it today. It was in my bag the whole time. I don't know how I can miss a big piece like that. But anyway, then we got a Mon bullet, and we have an old 22 with the hollow bottom. And we have the spoon that was underneath the brick, about 8 inches down. We have part of a coral bell. And this thing I thought sure was a largie, but now turned it out to be a dandy button. But no coin today there, Steve-O. So to be continued. That's all we got today. See you later.